Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. And today video Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas I will share with my viewers. So let's start today's video. Friends, Christmas farmhouse style Christmas. For this rustic farmhouse centerpiece, I am keeping everything natural: wooden beds, burlap ribbon, a dry orange and warm candles. The mix of texture creative a cozy homely feel. It's simple but so inviting and viewers the kind of centerpiece that makes your wall space feel like a Christmas cabin. Gift box, a fun treasure and centerpiece. This one look just like a Christmas box. Start with a decorative box, fill it with lights and felt friendly spelling out like surprise decoration. Place ornament ribbon and candy canes on top. It's playful, cute to get compliment. Centerpiece candlelight. This centerpiece is all about candlelight magic. I am placing 3 different size candles on a mirror base so the lights reflect beautiful. Then I am adding ornaments, pins, needles and sparkly beads around the edge. When the candles glow, the wall room glowing elegant, romantic and perfect for Christmas night and friends. Viewers, winter forest Christmas centerpiece. Imagine brings a winter forest right into your home. For this centerpiece, I am using with branches, tiny wooden trees, and a soft snow dusting on everything that fits silver ornaments and crystal piece. Add that ice pockets, peaceful, minimal, and perfect for anyone who love a claim winter rustic and centerpiece that feel like a quiet snowflake. Candlelight magic. This Christmas centerpiece is all about candlelight magic. I am placing 3 different size candles on a mirror basis so the light reflect beautiful. Then I am adding ornaments, pins, needles and spark beads around the edge. When the candles glow, the wall room glowing elegant, romantic and perfect for Christmas night. Classic red and gold. This centerpiece brings back the classic Christmas elegance we all love. I am layering rich red ornaments, white gold accent on a round base. A stair candle stand in the middle, creating height and trauma. Had a few forest leaves and ribbon curl, and suddenly your table transforms into a festive masterpiece. It's bold, bright and perfect for holiday dinners.